Hello, future CAs. Recently, I've been getting a lot of messages, especially students who wrote their Jan 25 exams. Messages like, Sir, I did not do my exams that well, sir. I am not very sure if I'll clear, depends on ICA. Should I start studying the other group? I finished group 1, should I go for group 2 or the vice versa? Or should I wait till results and take some time and decide? I am confused. Many students have been messaging, so I thought I will make this video to clear this confusion for all of you. But before that, I want to tell you all one thing. If your exams did not go well, look at this quote. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. Sir, what, sir? So many people told this to us. Nothing new. There is always light at the end of the tunnel, but you have to get to the end. You have to get to the end. You have to get to the results. You have to clear. If it doesn't go well, you have to do it again. If it doesn't go well, you have to do it again. Let's say you're stuck in a tunnel. You have to keep trying the light, and if you give up, it's done. So here, I'm going to tell all the students who wrote in your Jan 25 exams and have similar doubts, I'm going to classify you into two buckets. 100% clear, sir, one, or not very sure, sir, I did reasonably well, maybe 40, 50, 60, depends on ICA, depends on grace marks, depends on pass percentage. What should I do? Other side, sir, definitely I won't make it, sir. I didn't write the exams itself, or I simply wrote 100% sure, sir. I won't make it. There is no wrong in accepting that things are not going well for you. Accepting that Jan 25 is not my attempt is a brave thing to do. So if you fall in the other bucket, okay, sir, what to do? Tell me clearly. For both of you, I have a simple solution. The ones who are doubtful about results, you guys start the other group. For example, if you wrote group 1, please start studying for group 2, or if you wrote group 2, start studying for group 1 until results. Why, sir, until results? You have 30 days. Even if you study effectively 10 hours a day, 300 hours of learning something new. I promise, if you study the same group again until results when you're not very sure, you will not be effective, you will not be motivated. So start studying the other group until results. Based on the results, depending upon how that goes, we will decide what to do after results, whether you will write both the groups or just the other group, or you cleared one, you can continue with it. That depends on results, but 300 hours of new learning for this set of students. The other ones who are very sure, sir, I won't make it, tell me what to do. My favorite is SPA. I'm not talking about that SPA, guys. I'm talking about speed, presentation, and accuracy. You wrote Jan exams. If you think you failed in speed or presentation, or you didn't do well in speed or presentation, solution is test series for you. Because you know concepts well. Improve speed, improve presentation, test series. If you think accuracy is wrong, sir, balance sheet didn't tally, conclusion is not correct in most of the questions, I'm not able to figure out the provision, concepts are a hit, then you need to go take the right classes to upskill your concepts. For that only, I'm sure you all know, we have the most affordable classes for all subjects for CA Inter at the CA classroom. Check them out. And test series, we have one of the best test series, Dira test series, curated to link with your classes. Again, check them out, do your research, and then take it if it suits you, or take whichever works for you. But this is your decision matrix, guys. Decide wisely. All the best for your May 2025 exams. If you have the other group pending, irrespective of the results. And that's about it, guys. Always here with you guys for the journey. Thank you.